Introducing the Flaming Coals stainless steel wood-fired pizza oven, the ultimate addition to your outdoor kitchen, designed to give you a true wood-fired cooking experience with your family and friends. Whether you're cooking pizzas, bread, roasts, or even desserts, the Flaming Coals stainless steel wood-fired pizza oven will do it all. The first thing you'll notice about this oven is the stylish stainless steel appearance. It's going to look absolutely amazing in your outdoor kitchen, and you'll be the envy of all your family and friends. The oven measures 110 centimeters deep by 78 centimeters wide, and it won't take up too much space on your deck or alfresco area. Inside, you'll find a generous internal cooking area of 95 centimeters deep by 70 centimeters wide, which is big enough to fit 4 large pizzas in addition to the wood. The height of the door opening is 35 centimeters, and the overall height of the oven, including the chimney, is 184 centimeters. The oven is a breeze to put together, and you can be set up and cooking in no time. Inside the crate, you'll find that the dome comes pre-assembled, with the bricks and insulation already in place. To finish off the dome, simply screw the chimney in with 4 screws and you're done. The trolley has 4 legs, 4 side panels, and 1 bottom shelf which need to be screwed together. This is simple and will take under 20 minutes. Once the trolley has been assembled, all you need is a couple of strong helpers to lift the dome onto the trolley and you're done. Unlike a traditional brick or clay oven, this oven will never crack and no pre-burning or curing is required. Once it's assembled, you can light your first fire, get it up to 400 to 450 degrees Celsius in 45 minutes, and have your first round of pizzas cooked in just 90 seconds. The temperature gauge on the front door of the oven helps gauge the internal temperature and lets you know when you need to add more wood to the fire. Additional wood can be thrown on top of the burning fire at any stage to extend your cooking time, which is helpful when you're cooking for a couple of hours. Inside the oven, there are thick pizza stones that heat up quickly and ensure you get a nice, crisp pizza base every time. You can either cook your pizzas directly on the stones, or cook initially in pizza trays and then transfer to the stones to crisp up right at the end. The oven is double walled with 30mm of fiberglass insulation in between, which is the same type of insulation used in household kitchen ovens and helps keep the heat in. The door on the front also helps retain heat, which is important when you're doing longer cooks such as bread or roasts. There is also a peephole on the front door so you can keep an eye on the food without opening the door and losing temperature. When cooking pizzas at temperatures of 400 to 450 degrees Celsius, there is no need to cook with the door on. At this temperature, your pizzas will be cooked in around 90 seconds, and you'll need to spin them regularly to help the crust cook evenly. At the back of the oven, there is a grate to push the ash through, and a drawer at the rear to catch the ash and make cleaning up easy. The chimney flue assists with directing smoke upwards away from your guest's eyes, and comes with a damper, making it easy to adjust airflow and regulate both heat and smoke. Although this is a very sturdy oven that weighs over 130 kilos, the wheels make it extremely easy to move on a flat surface. If you don't have a permanent location for it, simply wheel it in and out of the garage as needed. If you like cooking outdoors and are looking to create some magical wood-fired meals that bring your family and friends together, you can't go past the Flaming Coals stainless steel wood-fired pizza oven. To optimize your cooking experience, a full range of accessories are available for separate purchase. These include a pizza peel to put your pizzas in and out of the oven, a spinner to rotate your pizza and get a nice crispy crust, a rake and scraper to help move the fire, a wire brush to sweep ash off the bricks and help with cleanup, a shovel to scoop out the ash, wooden peels for preparation and serving, pizza trays if you prefer not to cook directly on the pizza stones, an infrared thermometer to measure the temperature of the pizza oven, gloves because 400 degrees is really hot. You won't be able to get anywhere near the oven to put your pizza in without gloves, a cover to help protect the oven from the weather.